All right, a strip bolt right here. So these are pretty common when people put these together and they don't know really what they're doing and they over tighten things or they use power tools. I got another video on that, but these get stripped out. And the main thing that you want to pay attention to is don't ignore it, fix it. It's an easy fix. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to do it right here. I'll do it right in front of you, real time. It's a simple job. And for this right here, I'm going to be using a Heli-coil. All right, so this bolt that goes in there is an M6 by 1.0. If you're not sure of the size, a gauge like this will help you out. So here's a M5, and it doesn't fit through there. It fits through the M6, so it's an M6. And then the threads are all here, and you just take them and you line it up on the threads. And you find the thread that fits perfect, okay? And this is a 1.0. All right, so that's what we're using, an M6 by 1.0. All right, so first off, with this bit, it calls for a 1/4 inch drill bit. So we're just going to go straight in here. All right, just be careful, don't go in too far. I'm just going all the way into the base. I can see where it's touched in there. All right, and then we're going to take our tap. Now, normally I'd be using the T-handle, but I can't really get it in there, so I'm using just this kind of setup. It's just longer and straight. So send it in until it bases out. Now, if this was a bigger hole, I'd go back and forth, but this is a short hole, so it's not going to build up too much. Okay, right there. A little bit of resistance, that means I'm bottomed out, so let's back it out. Let me get some compressed air in there and blow all the debris out of there. All right, so with that cleaned out, the insertion tool here, what you want to do with this is, this part here is just threaded, goes on inside here. You take, and these are specific for the thread size, you take your Heli-coil, all right, it's got the little tab, put the tab facing the hole, drop it in just like that, and then you're going to screw it until the end right there is on the tab, okay? Just like that. And then you're going to send it in the hole. So put the tool right up to the hole, and it will go right into the threads there that you just cut. And just spin it in until it feels kind of free, like it's out of the tool. Okay, right there. Actually, now you can see this part came off. I can see the thread still sticking out a little bit. I'm going to go ahead a little bit further, just so that the last thread is recessed into the hole. About there. Back it out. That's it. Fresh thread. That thing's going to be stronger than factory. All right, when you get it to recess to the point you want, that little tab that we hooked onto, you want to break off. So just put something in there into the center of it that's smaller, like a flathead screwdriver, a little tiny flathead, something like this. Put it on that tab and just hit it and break it off. All right, so right on the tab, give it a tap. I mean, get that tab out of there, use a magnet or something, and, you know, get it out. Either blow it out with some compressed air or magnet, it'll come out of there and you're good to go. And I can't stress this enough, guys. If you come across these bolts that are stripped, fix them. If you don't know how to do it, learn it. Do it, make it right, do the job the right way the first time. Don't send these bikes back with, you know, some kind of sealed up goober in there to make it fit and seem like it's tight. Man, don't play around like that. Just do it right. All right? Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Till next time, Tepcocyclerepair.